Hello, Mr. Teeny here, creator of the Retro Regens database, and today we're going to go through how to install the mod and everything that you need and everything you need to know. Let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is you want to load up any web browser that you use, so Firefox, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and you want to go over to my Patreon page. So it's patreon.com/Mr. Teeny 23. And then you want to find the mod which you want to download. So for the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to go with the full Retro Regens mod for $98.99. Just a note as well, that if you want all the regens in your saves, you do have to download the full version. Obviously there is a free version, but that only has players up to 160 potential ability. So you're not going to see the likes of Ronaldo, Messi or Rooney in that file. Each one, there'll be a link, so just click the link and download it to wherever is the most convenient for yourself. For me, I'm just going to throw it into downloads. And then once that's downloaded, go over to where you've downloaded it. Right click on the file and you want to click extract all. And it should extract, it should bring up the file, the folder for you. So just double click and you'll see that there's 4 different files in here. So you've got a README, which is basically just instructions, any useful information. You've got the save game version, and then you've got the 2 files that you need for the database version. So the one we're going to start with first is going to be the save game version. So pretty simply, you just need the .fm file, which is this one here. So you literally just right clicking, copy. Then you want to go to wherever you save your files for Football Manager. So handily for me, I've just got it saved over here. So that's Documents, Sports Interactive, Football Manager 23. That's the standard usually. You may have changed it when you installed the game. Then you just want to go down to Games, and then right click again, show more options, and then just click Paste. And for the purposes of this, I'll just replace the file that I've already got. And then you want to go over to Football Manager. So we'll cross over to Football Manager. Click load game, and then you want to find $98.99 database, load the game, and then just create manager, and you are good to go with the save game version. Okay, so now for the more trickier version. So this is where you want to have your own separate leagues on the save. So the first thing you want to do is you want to find a .ffmpeg file. Just copy that. Same as before. Again, go to where you save your Football Manager files. And now instead of going to games, you want to go to editor data. And then you just want to paste that in there. Then you want to go back to the Retro Regens folder. And now you want to copy the EDT file, so supportstaff.edt. And then copy that. You need to navigate to where Steam saves your game files. So usually on PC, it will be this PC, Windows, C drive, program files, 86, and then you've got the Steam folder. And then you want to go to Steam apps, common, Football Manager 23, data, database, DB. And then you want to make sure you're selecting 2300 and then EDT, permanent. And all you want to do is just paste the file in. Just make sure that you have Football Manager closed whilst you're doing this. Otherwise, you won't have the changes loaded in the game. So if you're on anything other than PC, if you're not sure where to save support staff, if you just go back to the Regens folder, click the README, you'll see here we have the Epic Games and the Mac folder locations. So that's all the files all sorted, all in the right place. So then you just need to go over and load Football Manager. Okay, so here we are, we've loaded Football Manager. What you want to do is, same as you would normally, just go start new game, create. You can do this for online as well. And then the most important thing is you want to change the database version. So you want to change that to the ordinary default database. So it'll just say Football Manager 2023, like that. Don't worry about it saying 5.0. That is a common problem. It is the most up-to-date version, so don't worry. That is the right one. So just press confirm and then advanced setup. Okay, so once that's done, here you have the option to add or remove any leagues which you want. So the save game version has all the edited leagues on there already. But if you want to obviously just have your own league, so you just add and remove leagues and change to your heart's content. So I'm just going to leave it as it is for the purposes of this tutorial. So literally all you want to do is click start game and then let it go. This bit can take a while just because there is quite a few changes for the database to sort out. So just have a bit of patience and eventually it will finish. So we will just skip forward to when that happens. Okay, so once the game is fully loaded, you'll just come across the Add Manager screen. So for the purpose of that, I'm just going to add some random details, go through. And just select the team that you want. So just go with Arsenal. And there you have it. You should have the mod fully installed. What I would suggest is just to make sure that the regens have worked, I would do a holiday test. So all you need to do for that is just need to save the game, go to home, go on holiday, and I would suggest clicking a day, so 2023. I'd say probably 1st of May is probably the best. And then just go on holiday. And then let it do its thing, and then we'll come back once it's finished. So that holiday is now finished. So what you want to do is you now want to go to shortlist on the left. Just go to the player search, click new search. And you want to filter the age. I would say just do 15 and 15, and then press OK. And then you want to be searching for players that you are aware of. So Philip Lahm's usually a good one to look for. He always comes up in the first season. And you just want to make sure they've got a nice new gen face. And that means that the retro regions are working. And you should get them all coming through. If you want to just make doubly sure, Daniel De Rossi is another one who comes through. Again, there we go. All good. Just a quick note on the free version. Obviously, Philip Lahm and Daniel De Rossi aren't going to be in the free version. All you need to do is just search for Carton Cole. And Carton Cole always comes up on the free version. Once the mod is fully installed and you've created the save file, you can remove the support staff EDT file from the folder from before. And what that means is when you start any new saves, so for example, if you're starting a save on the actual Football Manager database for 23, it's not going to have regens coming through for 98.99 because obviously you're not going to want that on an up-to-date save. So all you need to do is literally just right-click on the file and then just click delete. And there you have it. That's how you install the Retro Regens mod for Football Manager. If you do have any problems, you can always hit me up on social media. Links will be in the description. I'm always around to help anyone that has any problems. In the meantime, enjoy, and thanks for all the support. See you soon.